guys, welcome back to the official channel for Masterpieces Writing and Editing LLC. I am Erica, the head writer and editor, and I'm also the owner. And guess what? My 30th birthday is coming up, so I want you guys to celebrate with me, and I'm offering 30% off all week. So from August 2nd to August 9th, which is actually my birthday, you will receive 30% off anything that you can add to the cart on my website. Or if you shoot me an email, be sure to include the big 30, the big 30. I just wanted to celebrate with you all, and I do this every single year, but I decided to up the ante and offer 30% off. So this is perfect if you've been eyeing my services and you wanted to save some coins. So this is the chance for you to do that, and I hope you take me up on this offer. And thanks so much for watching this video. This is exclusively for the people that are watching this video. It's not going to be posted anywhere else, so I hope you enjoy. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you all soon. Bye.